First and foremost, we need to recognize that poverty is violence. It is violence perpetuated with the consent of society. A society that is silent or looks the other way in the face of poverty, it is giving consent to exploitation, injustice, and war. Poverty strips away a person's dignity, humanity. It corrodes the human spirit. There is no justification for poverty in India.
ચોકીની સામા એમએલએ ક્વાર્ટર્સમાં ધંધો કરતા હતા 20 વર્ષનો. પછી અમને મ્યુનિસિપાલિટી કોર્પોરેશન અને સેવા તરફથી બે બનાવટ થઈને અમને અહીંયા ફાળવણી કરી તો અમને અમે બહુ ખુશ છીએ. બજાર પછી આપણે માલ લાવીને તો 50 રૂપિયા અમને મળતા હતા 2 દિવસ. ને સેવામાં અમે જોડાયા ને તમને 250 રૂપિયા લખવા મળ્યા.
They were short of capital and therefore exploited by private money lenders, touts, contractors, middlemen, etc. And second was that their means of production were higher. I said that that I must organize, unionize these women, and that is how we started Seva.
It gives us immense satisfaction as to how our members come forward, try to bring out their issues, try to voice their concerns, and then take charge of their path to development.
It's a women's movement. It's a combination of a union as well as a cooperative, so it has a dual strategy.
SEVA stands for Self-Employed Women's Association. Now that's the English name, and SEVA has its own connotation, but the actual name is Swashray Mahila Seva Sangh. Swashray means by her own labor or by her own work. Swashray Mahila as women. Seva means it's not just for myself, it's not just for the individual, but to serve others. And Sangh is Sangathan, which is coming together. So that's the real name of Seva. So what is our goal? Our goal is we're focused on the economic, of course. So our goal is what we call full employment and self-reliance. Full employment means income security and social security, which again you can break up, income security, employment, assets. Social security is health, childcare, housing, and so on. And self-reliance is self-reliance of the woman herself, our member, our informal sector worker, who can be rural or urban. Self-reliance of her organization, and self-reliance within the community.
Currently, we have a membership of about 1.35 million women workers as members of SEVA. We are a family of organizations, so we have over 14,000 primary village level producer collectives or producer groups of self-help groups that federate into district federations. Put the skills into the hands of the women themselves. There are no barriers. They know how best to use that technology in their own benefit. Women's employment is changing the dynamics of the family and the communities. Building upon and enhancing the skills and the knowledge that a woman has makes her gain confidence in her own abilities. She then gains strength from the camaraderie of women around. Bringing and working together around works sets in motion the transformation for herself and the community. When we women organize, we are a persistent and a resilient force. This is women to women organizing, people's partnership. We are only the facilitators. This is SEVA, the Self-Employed Women's Association.